Hi, I'm Aaron Paris with Switchback Outdoor Safety. We're an outdoor venture company specializing in recovery equipment, trauma care, and training. In this video series, we're here with Van Do It, and we're going to explore ways to recover your vehicle should you find yourself stuck while venturing in the outdoors. Should you find your vehicle need to be recovered, we'd ask that you do a stuck assessment to safely and effectively recover your vehicle. 3 common stuck assessments are: number 1, IDPE, identify, decide, plan, and execute. Number 2, STOPA, stop, think, observe, plan, and act. Number 3, OODA, observe, orient, decide, and act. Each of these will get you from point A to point B to recognize the hazards that are associated with the recovery, identify the appropriate recovery method, and safely execute your plan.
There are 4 types of vehicle recovery. Number 1 is an in-field repair. This includes dead batteries, flat tires, and other mechanical issues. Number 2 would be a vehicle-to-vehicle recovery, utilizing tow straps or kinetic energy ropes. Number 3 is a self-recovery where you would use your traction boards or your winch in numerous configurations. And number 4 is using a high lift jack.
In a previous video, we showed you how to use your winch to recover your vehicle using a single line pull. In this video, we're going to show you why and how you might use a double line pull to recover your vehicle.
The basic configuration of a double line pull is a winch line passing through a pulley block, then back to the vehicle to double the pulling power through mechanical advantage.
We'll need winch line with a connecting device. In this one, we're going to utilize a tree saver as our anchor, soft or hard shackles,
A pulley block.
you may end up needing a winch line extension, and again, you will need a winch line damper. We've pulled the winch line out to the tree, which is our anchor. I'm going to set my tree saver around our anchor point, making sure that the abrasion gray side is against the tree. We then need to get a winch line extension for this to be able to go from the van
Through the pulley block.
and then back to the van. The winch line extension can connect to the winch line by the hook.
The pulley block opens by splitting the cheeks, revealing the sheave.
Revealing the pulley, we will then lay the winch line extension inside,
The pulley block.
closing the sheave
We can connect the pulley block
to our tree saver with a hard shackle, making sure that the screw pin is proud. You want to make sure that as this winch line extension is passing, it's going to pass through.
the pulley block.
If we allow the hook to start on this side, it'll come into our
Pulley block.
and won't be able to continue through. We're now going to take the winch line extension and connect it back to the vehicle. As we're making our way there, we'll stop halfway along the way and we'll place the winch line blanket over both lines. We'll now connect the winch line extension to an anchor point on the vehicle. You can use the hard shackle and the soft shackle together. Make sure to connect the soft shackle as designated on the rigging notice on the soft shackle. Now we're connected. We've now connected the double line pull. We've made the area safe. We're going to tension the line and then check our rigging to make sure it's still connected properly. In our previous video, we talked about when you get back in, turning the vehicle on, and then resetting your electronic traction control mods to where it should be at. After that, place the vehicle in drive.
While running the winch, be sure that bystanders are standing in designated safety zones.
Now that the recovery has been completed, we can place the vehicle with the parking brake on, place it in park, and loosen the tension on the winch line. We can now go out and pick up all of our equipment. One thing you want to make sure you're paying attention for when you're doing a double line pull is that as you're pulling this winch line in, that you don't overrun your hook into the fair lead. In this recovery, we knew that we would stop short by at least 12 feet before we did that. That's just something to make sure that you don't damage your winch as you're doing one of these recoveries. I like to start at where it connects back to the vehicle and work our way back through the pulley block back to the winch. Reason for that is we're picking everything up as we go, and we don't have to go back and get anything unnecessarily as we're working. Make sure you're inspecting your equipment, that nothing got damaged during the recovery. And that way it's ready to go for the next use. Thanks for watching. We hope this was helpful for you. If you'd like to see more videos like this, follow the channel, and we'll see you next time.